Good morning class. Our next topic is probability. So what is probability? Probability is the ratio of chances of occurrence to that of total number of possible events in performing an experiment. Okay, this is the chances of occurrence of any possible event to that the total number of event. So what does this means? That, like, going with the examples. So first, probability of an event is equals to number of favorable events upon total number of events. Favorable events upon total number of events. This is the probability. And remember, probability always lies between 0 and 1. It can be 0, it can be 1, or between 0 and 1. No other number can come in probability. And there is one more thing, that if probability of something is 1, this means it is a sure event. Or if probability of something is 0, it is impossible event. Okay, the events that may occur, favorable events, lie under a category under the given condition of that question. So starting with the question, so in this first question is that there are 8 cannons on the wall of fort, then 2 of the cannons are empty. Total cannons are 8. Empty cannons are 2. So what will be the, how many will be the filled cannons that will fire? Filled cannons are total are 8, 2 are empty, so filled cannons will be 6. We have to find the probability of a cannon that is selected at random will fire. Means that cannon will fire, that is it must be filled. So probability of cannon will fire means that will be filled. Favorable means filled cannons upon total cannons. Okay, how the filled cannons are 6, total are 8, so 3/4 is your answer. Okay, next is that a child throws a dice. Look in book, it's written coin, but it is actually dice. A child throws a dice, so a dice is thrown. So total cases that can come or cases of the events. Those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, if you throw a dice, these are the cases that can come, and we have to find the probability that you get a 6. In how many cases will you get 6? So case of getting 6, 1. So probability of getting 6, it will be cases of getting 6 upon total cases. Here total number of cases will be 6, as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 they can come. Total cases are 6. So probability of getting 6 is 1. Means if you throw a dice, out of 6 cases, in how many cases will you get 6? Only in 1 case you will get 6. So probability of getting 6 upon total cases, so 1 upon 6 is the answer. It is a even number. Even number. How many are even numbers of this? 2, 4 or 6. Number of even numbers are 3. There are 3 even numbers. So probability of getting an even number is, total number of even numbers are, means number of even numbers upon total cases. That is 3 by 6, 2. So 1 upon 2. Okay. And then third case will be C, of getting a odd number. How many of them are odd? 1, 3 and 5. So number of odd numbers are 3. So probability of odd number will be total number of odd numbers upon total cases. 3 are the odd numbers, total cases are 6, so again 1 by 2. D is a number greater than equals to 3, that it can be equals to 3 as well, or greater than 3, that is 3, 4, 5 or 6. So how many cases can come? Greater than equals to 3. So probability, so number of cases greater than equals to 3 is 4. Means 3, 4, 5, 6 means 4 are the cases in which you will get a number greater than or equals to 3. So probability of greater than equals to 3 will be total number of cases that will get greater than 3 or equals to 3. 4 upon 6 total cases. So cutting it by 2 you will get 2 upon 3. And E here is number less than 3. Less than 3. What are the cases less than 3? It can be 1 or 2. So number of cases less than 3 are 2. Probability of cases less than 3, it will be 2 cases are favorable and total are 6, so 1 upon 3. Okay. This is our next question here. It says that there is a hat. It contains 10 tambola slips with numbered 1 to 10. See, so what are the slips? 1, 2, 3, or a 4 numbered, or a 5 numbered, 6 numbered, 7 numbered, 8 numbered, 9 numbered, or 10 numbered slip. The organizer took a slip at random and we have to find the probability that it is a 7. So total cases are 10 cases. If you pick up, there are total slips 10, so 10 are the cases total. So probability of getting a 7. So case of getting 7. Out of this, in how many cases will you get 7? In only one case. So probability of getting 7 will be probability cases of getting 7 upon total number of cases 10. So 1 upon 10 is your answer. B part is an even number. How many are the even numbers? Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So case of even number of case of even number are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cases are of getting an even number. So probability of getting even is equals to cases of even number upon total cases, or total cases are 10. Okay. C is a odd number. How many are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Cases of odd 5. Probability of getting odd. Cases of odd upon total cases 1 by 2. Okay. So next is a prime number. Probability that it is a prime number. What are the cases of prime number out of 1 to 10? So 2, 3 is a prime, 4, 5 is a prime, 6, 7 is a prime, 8, 9, 10. These are not the prime. So this. So probability of getting a prime. So total cases of getting prime are 4 cases are getting the prime, total are 10. So 2 by 5 is the answer. Okay. Next is greater than 7. Sorry, yes, greater than 7. Total are greater than 7 are 1, 2, 3, 8, 9 and 10. Cases, number of cases of greater than 7 are 3. So probability of greater than 7 will be cases of greater than 7 upon total cases. So 3 upon 10 is the answer. Cases greater than 7 upon total. So next is a dice is thrown. What is the sample space? What can be sample space means what can be the events. Events are 1 or a 2 can come or a 3 can come in a dice, 4, 5 or a 6. This is the sample space itself. Means the events that can occur when a dice is thrown. Okay.